everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, last week I didn't go couponing just because I had Christmas with my family and it wasn't really worth it. But I did receive like maybe about 8 CRTs. Last night I was up, my CRTs show up on my app at like 11 p.m. my time, Central Time. And I look and all I had was the 3 ones that are like in the ad where you get like the $4, the 25%, and then a different one. And I'm like, okay, so I refresh it, nothing. Refresh it, nothing. I'm like, okay. Well then I get to the store and just those 3 print out. So I don't know what is going on. I don't know if they're purposely doing this, but then when you call, they're like, we don't know what you're talking about, you know. So we're going through the next CRT apocalypse. I'm not making a big deal about it. I'm going to try to still do as many deals as I can, but you know, if that happens, that happens. I think it lasted 3 months last time, so if it happens again, I'm not gonna, you know, there's nothing I can do about it. There's nobody I can complain to. It's just gonna be that way. I know a lot of you guys are going in the same situation, but hopefully something gets fixed, or maybe it's just because it's the new year. No idea, but let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got at CVS. So I totally forgot about these. These were like $2.50. I forgot to write it down. These were like $2.59, or buy one get one 50% off. But then you get $1 off a 2 digital coupon, and then there is a $1 extra care buck. I cannot remember what this deal is about, but I'm sorry, I just did not write it down. I totally forgot about it, but it ends up becoming like under $1, I think, or something like that. But anyways, moving on to a different deal. So I ended up having a $3 off cosmetic coupon, and then I also had a free anything up to $5, and I was gonna do it with my Revlon, but I didn't want the money to go down because I was using other CRTs. I was also using coupons, and I'm like, it would have taken off maybe that full $5. I probably guess it would probably adjust itself. So I did it with this. I ended up getting the Neutrogena. I got a liquid eyeliner and then the Neutrogena makeup remover eraser stick, which this is actually perfect. So these were both $10.79. I wanted to get 2 of these, but my store only had 1. But both $10.79. I used that $5 free any cosmetic, and then I had a $3 off cosmetic from last week. So I paid $13.58 for these, but then you get a $6 extra care buck when you purchase 2. And then with this one you get $3 back with an Ibotta rebate, and then this one you get $2 back with an Ibotta rebate. So both of these come out to be just $2.58 or $1.29, which I think is a pretty decent deal. You know, we love to get things for free, but you know what? We're getting it so much cheaper than you normally would. So this is my favorite shampoo and conditioner. It is of this brand. It is the L'Oreal Elvive. So these were 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 printable coupon, or there was a digital. Use that, and then I had that 2 off of 2 coupon that printed from the red box. That was the coupon. And then you'd end up paying just $3 for these, so it comes out to be $1.50. But I usually say go for $1, but I really enjoy the shampoo and conditioner, so yes. And then I'm gonna try Whole Blends again. It's been years since I've used Whole Blends for shampoo and conditioner, so we're gonna try it again. I got the coconut oil and cocoa butter. So these were 2 for $7. I used that 4 off of 2 insert coupon. Paid $3 for it, but then you get a $1 extra care buck, so these come out to be just $2 or $1 each. So if you guys need some of that. And then I did this other deal. Sorry, I have Bath and Body Works stuff in my bag. So I ended up doing the toothpaste and Colgate deal. So this ends up becoming a great deal if you guys can do that. So the Colgate mouthwash was $4.49. The toothpaste was $3.99. I used 2 $2 off Colgate mouthwash coupons, and I used 2 $2 off toothpaste coupons. Then I had a 5 off of 25 and I had a 4 off of 25, but I sent it all to my card, so it took off the 5 off of 25. So out of the 2 tubes of toothpaste, and then I got 4 mouthwash, it came out to be $12.94. You get $3 when you purchase 2 of the toothpaste. You get $3 when you purchase 2 of the mouthwash. And then you get, it's a limited 2, so I bought 4 of them, so I get $6 back with that. But with Ibotta right now, they actually have a deal where if you purchase that, you get $1. So I got $4 back with Ibotta, which is a great deal. So these all come out to be free or a 6-cent moneymaker. So if you guys need to stock up on that, definitely do it. I'm finally happy, like, my store finally had toothpaste in stock. It was crazy. Okay. For me not having as many CRTs, I'm happy with the deals that I did get today. So, that is it. Okay, so I ended up doing the Kotex. My store had hardly anything of Kotex for the tampons. They didn't have any Tampax. Like, I can't believe, I don't know if there's just a shortage or what. It was the same thing at like Walmart. It's crazy. But anyways, these were 2 for $8. You want to use that 4 off of 2 insert coupon. You'd pay $4, but then you get $2 back in an extra care buck, making these $2 or $1 each. You also want to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points because it is a Unilever product. No, it's not a Unilever product, but you get extra points for it. Then I'm just really trying to get Ibotta rebates. Like, I don't have anything to work up towards right now, but I'm just getting the Ibotta rebates. So I ended up doing the flip deal because it ended up becoming a good moneymaker. So these were 2 for $2. You paid $2 for it, but I had a 50-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. Then with Shopkicks, you get 585 points for purchasing and scanning it. Now, when you open the screen, it had where the one part, it said 35 and 50, and it was like kind of shaded out. That means you couldn't do it. But when you go to submit receipts, I had 500 points on there. It's 500 when I submit the receipt. So it was crazy, or it was not 500. It was 550 or something like that. But anyways, 585 points. Then you get $2.34 back with Shopkick. So this ends up becoming a $1.34 moneymaker. $1.34 moneymaker if you guys want to do that. And then I ended up doing the Revlon deal, and this one was $10.29, and these were $5.79. I used a $3 off coupon for this one, and then one printable coupon and 1 digital coupon for the lips. And then I used that $4 off instant CRT that I had. Paid $8.87, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making it $3.87 or just $1.29. So it just depends on how you guys want to do that deal, but just wanted to do that. So that was my haul. I was going to do the paparazzi, but my store only had 1 nail polish. They did put the wrong sign on the other nail polish, but the ones that were 2 for $5, they got like a ton of them in. So I don't know if they were just changing the bottle or changing something in them, but my store had like a ton. From like 2 weeks ago, they had like 3 of them on the shelf. Now they have a ton. So I think they're just, maybe they changed something up a bit. But anyways, my total came to $7.91. Make sure you guys are using the Flooz app. If you guys have a voucher, you get up to 35% cash back. So that's $33.50. Otherwise, I can't remember what the percentage is. But I always would try, if you're going to pay cash anyways, use the Flooz app because you'll get money back anyways. I love Flooz, especially for CVS. I absolutely love it. And for Bath & Body Works. But I ended up, my total came to $7.91. I used $42.06 worth of extra care bucks, but then I received $27 back. With Ibotta, I received $10. That was $4 for the Colgate, $1 for the flips, and then I got 3 and 2 from the Neutrogena, so that was awesome. And then with Shopkick, I received $2.34. So my grand total came to $10.63, or just 21 items at 50 cents each, which I still think $10 is usually, anytime I go couponing and I get a lot of stuff, $10 is like my go-to price because it's awesome. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. I will have the pictures of everything that I got at the end of the video. I don't do a printable breakdown for this because I don't do as many deals, but I try to explain it as best as I can. And there's other reasons why I don't do the printable breakdown for CVS, but that's okay. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up again. Subscribe. It's absolutely free, and we're here to save some money. So see you guys later. Bye-bye.